lesson, we are going to be finding the volume of pyramids. And the formula that we're going to use is volume is equal to 1/3 the base area, that's what capital B is, and the height of the actual pyramid. Remember, when we're talking about volume, we're talking about how much space an object does take up, or the amount that the object actually could be filled. So let's look at our first pyramid. Let's name it. It's always named by its base. So seeing this right here, I see it's a 3 by 3. So we do know that this is a square pyramid. And if we have a square pyramid, then we know our base area formula is going to be side squared. So let's go ahead and start the problem. We have volume is equal to 1/3 capital BH. That stands for our base area. Well, volume is equal to, I'm not even putting in any numbers yet. The base area for a square pyramid is side squared, and then we're going to multiply it by how high up that pyramid does stand. How tall is it from its vertex, from its peak, all the way down to where it hits the base at 90 degrees. So let's substitute in our values. Volume is equal to 1/3. Our side, we can see, is 3, and we're going to square that. And the height is a 5. So we know we need to always do squaring first. So volume is equal to 1/3, and that's 3 times 3 is 9. And then 5 is going to, these are all going to be multiplied together. Again, volume is equal to 1/3 of 9 is 3. So 3 times 5. So our volume is equal to 15 yards. And remember, it's always cubic yards. This is the volume of the square pyramid that we see. All right, well, let's look at the next one. I see a pyramid. It comes up to a point, apex. The height of it hits the base at 90 degrees. But now I am looking, what is the base? And the base actually is a right triangle. So when I'm looking at this right triangle, it's going to be important that you realize that this 4 is actually the base, and the 3 is going to be our height of the base. And this is extra. We didn't even need that number. They just put it in to see if you knew what you were doing. So again, this is a, let me name it, triangular. So that's telling me about that area formula, pyramid. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my volume is equal to 1/3, my capital B, which stands for base area, times the height. Volume is equal to 1/3. I'm just going to write down the formula now for the area of this base, which is a triangle. So it's 1/2 base times height of this triangle. And then we are going to multiply that by the height of the actual pyramid. And this must be a real pyramid because I'm looking, MI stands for miles. So this is a big building. It's definitely not just a little toy that someone's playing with. So let's go ahead and substitute in our values. So volume is equal to 1/3. Again, I'm going to fill in my dimensions for my triangle. So it's 1/2. The base we said was 4. And the height of the triangle is a 3. All right, and then the height of the actual pyramid is a 5. So let's go ahead and we must do this first. So again, volume is equal to 1/3. Well, 1/2 of 4 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6, and then we still have our 5 out here. Well, 1/3 of 6 is 2, and 2 times 5 is our very last step, and so the volume is going to be equal to 10, and it is in miles cubed. Again, I'm thinking we're talking about a really big pyramid. If this video was helpful to you today, please add a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more Math with Marsha. See you again soon.